This is Classical Historians Civil War Go Fish game. It comes with a little booklet that has in the beginning directions for all of the history card games you can play. And then at the last half of the book, there's a paragraph for each of the cards that tells you the history of each of these images on the card. When you open the game for the first time, the cards are wrapped together nicely, and we've laid them out here on the table for you to see how they're separated into 12 categories. First category, united yet divided. Impending crisis, 1847 to 1860. 1861, the Civil War begins. 1862, stalemate. Diplomacy and war. 1863, turning point. Home front. 1864, hard war. 1865, the terrible swift sword. Presidents and politics. Reconstruction, 1865 to 1877. The New South, 1877 to 1896. And this is our Civil War Go Fish game.